Hey guys, good morning. Happy Wednesday. We're going to run through our slideshow really quickly. Agenda, a couple of reminders, and then I'm going to send you on your way. So it is Wednesday, August 26th. You have two things to read, one thing to watch, and then something to complete today. So you're going to read how can solubility be used to identify mixtures. You're going to watch a video called Solubility and Solutions, and then you're going to read something called Explaining Solutions. You're also going to complete a scientific explanation. This is very similar to what you did week before last with matter, but this one is a scientific explanation about solutions and mixtures. May-dos are the same as they have been. You have that video, Mixtures, Science Move Along to watch on Discovery Education, or you can play Lift the Ship on Legends of Learning. Both of those are optional. You do not have to do the May-do, but they are there if you'd like to. For today, I can explain and describe the properties of a mixture. So this is similar to yesterday's except we're swapping out explaining solutions for explaining mixtures today. Again, like always, if you have any problems with an assignment, any issues or questions, send me an email through Canvas. You can click the little inbox button, type me out an email, and send it to me, and I'll respond as quickly as I can. And then tomorrow you have your Google Meet. There will not be a video posted tomorrow. I'll just have the schedule and the links for Google Meet. Carr's homeroom at 10, Fulkerson's homeroom at 11, my homeroom at 1. They are going to be short. Since I'm going to be seeing you on Monday in person, I'm not going to spend very long on Google Meet tomorrow. We're going to go over a few things. I'm going to give you a few reminders for Monday. So it is important that you log on, but we won't be staying on that usual 30, 45 minutes. It'll just be maybe 10, 15, and then I'll let you go. Okay, one more time. I can explain and describe the properties of a mixture. That is what you are working on today. Have a great day, and I will see you all on Google Meet tomorrow. Bye, guys.